Hello everyone. Today I am demonstrating few basic yogasanas with its variants. Yogasanas could be performed with varying level of complexities. So it depends upon one's strength, stamina and flexibility, and also the fact whether one is in the beginner stage, intermediary stage or in the advanced stage. So you can pick and choose the level of complexity which you are comfortable in. So today I am demonstrating few of the basic asanas and its variants for you to pick and choose and practice.
Forward bend variations. First is tabletop, wherein we are bending from the hip joint in a horizontal manner. Come up. Next is Hasta Padasan, wherein we are bending completely downwards and placing the palms firmly on the mat. Come up. Next is another variation of Hasta Padasan, wherein we are grabbing hold of the ankle and touching the forehead to the knees. Come up. Next is bending forward at a wide angle, wherein we are grabbing our ankle and trying to touch the forehead to the mat. Come up. And the last one is the wide-legged forward bend, wherein we are bending downwards with the support of the elbows and touching the forehead on the mat. Excellent for increasing blood circulation to the brain. Backward bend variations. First is Hasta Uttanasana, wherein we are lifting a hand, looking up and stretching the back to the maximum possible. You can see the back arched to its fullest. Come back. The second backbender variation is Virbhadrasana, wherein one leg is bent at an angle of 90 degrees to the ground and the other leg is stretched backwards. Arch your back, lift your hands and look up. Excellent backbender. The third variant in the backbenders is Anjaneyasana, wherein we are kneeling down on one leg and arching the back to the maximum and looking up. These are all aimed at improving the flexibility of the body and strengthening and toning of the muscles. Sideward bend variations. First we'll perform Konasana. This gives excellent stretch to the side muscles and helps burning the side fat. Come back. The next variant is wide-legged Konasana. This is increasing the intensity of the side stretch and helps burning the side fat. Come back. The third is Parshva Konasana, wherein we are bending the leg at an angle of 90 degree to the ground and doing the side stretch. It further intensifies the side stretch. The last side stretching variant is Parivritta Parshva Konasana, wherein we are bending to one side and making a namaste pose and looking up. This gives maximum possible stretch to the side muscles. Relax. Vrikshasana and its variants. This is normal Vrikshasana pose, wherein we are balancing at one leg. Gives excellent strengthening to the body and good for improving concentration and attention power. Coming to the variant of Vrikshasana. Perform Vrikshasana. Now bring down one hand, stretch to one side, lift the other hand and get into a Namaste pose. Gives an excellent stretch to the side muscles. Also, maintaining the asana helps improving the concentration and attention span. Relax. Garudasana and its variants. Get into a self-hugging pose. Now intertwine your hands and maintaining Garudasana. This is an excellent shoulder opener and good for toning upper back muscles. Relax. Getting into the advanced variant of Garudasana. Bend both the legs, lift one leg and place the feet on the calf of the other leg. Now intertwine the hands, maintain the asana. This is an excellent balancing asana too. Maintaining the asana and focusing at one point not only improves the strength of the body but also helps increase the attention span and concentration. Virabhadrasana and its variations. Bend one leg at an angle of 90 degree to the mat. Stretch the hand. This is an excellent hip opener. Relax. Coming to the other variants. Bend one leg at an angle of 90 degree. Raise your hands, stretch your back and look upwards. Relax. Coming to the advanced variant wherein we are bending the front leg at an angle of 90 degree and the back leg is supported at the toes. Raise your hands, arch your back, look up. Now slowly lift the back leg and stand on one leg and focus at one point. Apart from improving the strength of the body, it also helps improving the attention and concentration. Release and relax. Adhomukh Svanasana and its variation. Getting into Adhomukh Svanasana or the downward dog pose gives a good stretch to your calf muscle and the posture improves blood circulation to the brain. Come up. Coming to the next variant of Adhomukh Svanasana. This is revolved downward dog pose. This is an excellent shoulder opener. Gives good stretch to the shoulder and upper back muscles. Relax. Get into the third variant of Adhomukh Svanasana. This is one-legged Adhomukh Svanasana wherein we are lifting one leg and balancing on the other leg. Now slowly bend the leg and move to the other side. Touch the ground. Raise your hands and look up. Gives good stretch and strengthening to the muscles and improves blood circulation to the body parts. Come back to Adhomukh Svanasana. Release and relax. Variations of goddess pose. Maintaining goddess pose. This is an excellent hip opener. Now, twisting to one side in goddess pose. Twisting to the other side. Excellent for burning side fat. Now, another variant of goddess pose is the sideward stretch. Stretch maximum towards the side. Come back. Stretch towards the other side gives good stretching to the side muscles and helps strengthening the oblique muscles. Excellent hip opener asana, goddess pose. Vyakrasana and its variations. First, come to the cat pose. Now, lift one hand and the opposite leg. Maintain Vyakrasana. This is the second variant of Vyakrasana which could be done as a perfect workout. Now, coming to another variant of Vyakrasana. Lift one leg upwards and with the opposite hand grab hold of the angle and lift the leg upwards. Gives excellent stretch and strengthening to the upper back, lower back, hip, glutes, thighs, calf muscles. Relax. Sedubandhasana and its variations. First we'll do the basic Sedubandhasana, wherein we are grabbing hold of the angle and lifting the pelvis upwards to the maximum. It helps improves the digestion process. Coming to the second variant, wherein we are lifting the legs on the toes and raising the pelvis even upwards, and for maximum stretch we are intertwining our hands and stretching our hands. Excellent stretch to the lower body. To add to the intensity of the asana, we'll do one more variant wherein we are lifting the pelvis maximum upwards and supporting on our toes. We are raising one leg upwards. Maintain the asana. Bring the leg down and supporting on the other toe, we are raising the other leg. This is an excellent balancing asana and also improves the strength of the pelvic region. Come down and relax. Matsyasana and its variations. This is Matsyasana. Maintaining Matsyasana helps strengthening the shoulder and upper back muscles. Come down and relax. Now another advanced variant of Matsyasana, which is performed in Padmasana. Relax in Padmasana and repeat Matsyasana. It gives excellent strength to shoulder, upper back, and maintaining Padmasana gives good strength to the lower limbs also. Variations of Cobra pose. First we'll do the starting level or baby cobra pose. This is baby cobra pose. Gives good stretch to the back muscles. Now we'll get into the second variant, Bhujangasana or the cobra pose. Take care that the abdomen is not much lifted from the mat. The advanced variant is the flying cobra pose, wherein the upper body is lifted to its maximum height with the support of the hands. Take care that the knees are also lifted from the ground. Come back and relax. Variations of plank. Plank or Dandasana are of two types. This is high plank coming to a low plank, again alternating to a high plank, exhale to a low plank, inhale high plank, exhale to a low plank, inhale to a high plank. Now tilt your body to a side plank or Vasishthasana with hips stretched maximum upwards. Now getting into the side plank tree pose variant. Apart from strengthening the oblique muscles and core muscles, this asana helps improving the concentration and balancing power of the individual. Come back to high plank. Exhale and go to low plank. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, low plank, and relax in Makrasana.
I'm sure the video was useful. Please view my videos, like them, share them, subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day. Bye bye.